All right, thank you, JD. It's time now to answer some of your legal questions. We have here Fox 26 senior legal analyst Chris Tritico. Hello there.
Good morning.
All right, let's make a difference. Answer some questions, give some free legal advice.
There we go.
People are all about that. First question coming in from Elizabeth, who writes, I don't understand why the trial of Ken Paxton was not classified as a criminal trial. Dan Patrick said it was a political trial. How do these people get away with so much against us taxpayers, the people of Texas?
Well, Elizabeth, the reason it was classified as a political trial is because when you have an impeachment by the House and then a removal trial in the Senate, that really is a political process under the Constitution. And you've seen those in the impeachment and removal of both Donald Trump and Bill Clinton and now Ken Paxton. That's a political process. Ken Paxton still has a criminal trial pending here in the state of Texas that he will be tried on maybe later this year or early next year. But the impeachment and removal process under our Constitution is and always will be just a political process, because at the end of the day, if Ken Paxton had lost in the Senate, the only thing that would have happened to him is he would have been removed from office. That's the penalty. And so that's just a political process. But thank you for that question and allowing me to clear that up for people. Good luck.
All right, here we go. The next one, follow the bouncing ball, maybe the light in this case.
That's right.
You ready for it? Okay, this one coming in from Mark. I am a traffic safety person for oversized truckloads. I am certified in every state. I hold a special certification class that Texas requires. I did a lot of research regarding the color of emergency lights. I know in Texas I'm allowed to run with yellow and blue lights. Tow trucks are allowed to run with red, blue, and yellow lights facing backward, and only white while stationary, with regard to emergency situations only. When I roll up on an accident or assist my old apartment with traffic control, am I legally allowed to turn my red lights on when not moving? The red lights are now rear facing only.
Well, Mark, you were very close in your research. The only people in Texas who are allowed to have red lights on their light bar are emergency vehicles, and emergency vehicles for the purpose of red lights are defined as police and fire department vehicles only. And those are the only vehicles who are allowed to have red lights on their light bar. You now, as a private citizen, because you no longer work as a volunteer fireman, are not allowed to have a red light on your light bar. Working as you do as the tow vehicle who carries the passenger, golly, I can't talk. Taking people as you do, you can have a light bar with the amber and the white, but you cannot have red on your light bar. And when you go to assist with the fire department, you are not allowed to turn your light bar on at all. Okay, so don't be accused ever of impersonating a law enforcement personnel by turning that light bar on if you stop to assist your fire department. Okay, good luck to you.
Oh, that's good to know, because if you're just trying to help out,
Right.
the last thing you want to do is get in trouble.
That's right. That's right.
Right.
And thank him for helping people.
Yeah.
But don't turn that light bar on.
Sure. All right. Good info, Chris. Our final question coming in from Gary, who writes, my daughter took out student loans and attended the University of Phoenix during the time period impacted by a lawsuit. Her loans were transferred to a private company and have not been dismissed. Does she have any recourse?
You do. As a matter of fact, the Federal Trade Commission has taken action against the University of Phoenix and has settled that case with the University of Phoenix, because they found that the University of Phoenix was deceiving students by claiming that they were working with employers such as Microsoft, Twitter, Adobe, and Yahoo to create job opportunities for students, and they were taking out loans to take courses with the University of Phoenix because of that. Now, there's been $47 million paid out in refunds already with the University of Phoenix, and to get loan refunds. So you can go to the ftc.gov/enforcement/refunds/university.phoenix-settlement. Click on that, and you'll fill out the form, and you may, and they'll help you get a refund for your student loans. That will pay off or help pay off your guaranteed student loans if you got money from the University of Phoenix during that certain period of time for these loans. Okay? That's a good deal for people who got loans at the University of Phoenix for these certain classes. Good luck.
Wow, that's helpful information.
It is, and people that get deceived by these online classes, it happens all the time.
All right, now you have the answer. If you want to send us your legal questions, hop on our website, fox26houston.com. You'll find Chris's segments under the Morning tab. We always encourage you to find an attorney of your choice if you have specific information. Thanks again, Chris.
You bet.